Welcome to Double D Do Business. Get ready for our quick D-log packed with insights and inspiration. Think, reflect, and join the conversation. Double D, your thought and positive agitation guides. Let's go.
I just had a thought about the power of a blue sky. Just stop for a moment and imagine the last blue sky you saw. Where was it? What was the setting? What did you see? What sounds were you listening to? What feelings did you have? And did it leave you feeling pretty good, pretty fantastic, and almost spectacular? Enough of the really positive word choices to capture the blue sky. I find blue sky, grey sky, weather makes no difference to me. The sky is the sky. I mean, there are a couple of skies that are a bit overawing. A white sky with no mountain ranges and a flat landscape, depending on your eyesight, can be quite blinding without the right eyewear. Nonetheless, though, why do we leave our mood to feel good to a blue sky, or even worse, just positive weather? We let the weather dictate the mood that we're having. Now, there isn't a counter-argument here to good weather, blue skies don't make you feel better. But nonetheless, it's a choice. We get to choose however we are, whatever the weather outside. And it's an inside job first. So I'd like you to, next time you see a blue sky, stop for a moment and think, did you equally celebrate a grey sky, a dark sky, a cloudy sky, or other ailments of the weather that come to test us from time to time? Or do you just wait for the blue sky? Because if you're waiting for the blue sky, depending on where you live in the world, you could be waiting all year to see another one. Whereas if you just celebrated the grey one or the dark one, you'd have a better day.
Thank you for tuning into Double D and our D-log. Remember to think, reflect, and share your thoughts with us too. Thanks for joining us on our quick D-log journey. Until next time.